Hey, this is Charlotte with Photohacklovers.com. What time is it? That's right, my creatives. It's time for another Photoshop tutorial. So I have a request someone wanted to know how to use my product, the String Light brushes. Now, if you open your folder, you're going to find the cover, which is like the sparkly string lights, the string light brushes, and the white diamond style. You're going to double click to load each file in here. I've already loaded the string light brushes. You're going to find them in your brush presets panel. If you don't know where that is, you go to Window, Brushes. The styles are going to be here in the Styles panel. And that is the diamond overlay. Now, you can download any type of glitter, silver glitter off the internet to achieve the same effect. And what you're going to do is you're going to load them into, you're going to select, like, say for instance, whoops, if this was a glitter image here, you could press Control A, go to Edit, Define Pattern, and then you can overlay the brush style and create a glitter style. I'm going to show that to you here in a minute, but let me show you how this actually works. Okay, so let's get a brush here. Anyone will do. These have different variations, so I'm just going to get the first one. I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to press Shift and hold down. Actually, you know what? Let's make this background black so we can actually see what's going on. Okay, so basically with these brushes, if you're on a dark material, if you just draw out, they look sparkly on their own. If you use the size that it is set to. So this one has a little bit of sparkle to it. Let's see here. And these are the thin ones. So let me create a new layer. So what I usually do, and what I was giving you the example of, is if you're wanting to add an overlay on this to make it a little bit more sparkly, you can use like a glitter texture like this, or a silver one, which you can find in my 50 silver pattern collection that I have. And I actually updated that, so now there's 100 silver shiny textures like this. And you just go Edit, Define Pattern, and then it will show up in your patterns as an overlay. So if you click on the layer and you go to Pattern Overlay, you're going to find that texture here. And it's right here. So if you click on that, press OK, you can also adjust the range on this so you can see it more or less, but that one's kind of tiny, so the detail you really can't see with that. If you zoom in a little bit, right, you can see more of the detail there, but it's so tiny and fine that's hard to see. So let me go ahead and create that pattern overlay, that same pattern overlay. 1 second. Press OK. And I'm going to use a different brush this time. And you can see it's sparkly. Now you can see that it's very sparkly. Now, if you want to add the shine to it like I did, I just, whoops, create a new layer. And that's how I did the sparkles. So I'm just going to delete that layer and delete this layer. And I'm going to show you the brush that I use in the example file. So this is the example file, okay? So I'm just going to go through and just draw out the same way that I did the sparkles. Okay. Okay, and I'm just going to close that out because we've already used these. So gonna move this. So that was this one. And I just press shift click, okay? And I'm gonna go and select the next one. That's the tinier one. And let's go get the next one. And I'm just holding down shift so it will keep a straight line. And just clicking down. Those are the thinner ones. You can see that it's sparkly. And this one's more of a white sparkly. Has a little bit more dimension to it. And that's a little bit separated, so it's a little bit more beaded look. And actually, these are stars. So you can increase the brush size so you can see more detail. If you decrease it, you'll see more sparkle. These are also star brushes. Let me increase the size. Oops. And these are the diamonds. Let me increase the size on these. Now this is what this style is for. If you click on it, you can make this the diamonds brighter. But let me go ahead and put that on a new layer because that just kind of changed everything. So I'm pressing shift and holding down for the diamonds. And that style that I included in there makes the diamonds more white and more brilliant. Okay. And here's another diamond one. So let me get on that layer. And those are little tiny diamonds. But you see? You can increase the size or keep it the way it is, however you like. Those are a little bit more close together, but if you increase the size, it looks a little bit more beaded diamonds. And this one too. So, and here's a star. So let me create a new layer. This is stars. These are good for creating all those cool bokeh string lights that you see. You can make all kinds of different stuff. You can make borders, edges, whatever your heart desires. Okay, and that's it. So increase the size. You can also increase or decrease the size by pressing the right and left brackets. There's the diamonds. You can make brilliant little intricate designs. It's really not that difficult. It's super easy. It's just brushing. This one's more close together, like a chain link. So you can make necklaces, if you're doing renderings, photo manipulations, you can make all kinds of things. It's that's a more pearl beaded look. See? Very nice. And these are just kind of like sparkles. You can, let me put this on a new layer. You can add sparkle and shine to the designs. I would make this a little bit smaller. They're just little things. I don't know, they're kind of to make it look shiny. Oh man. And there's like a few of them here that you can use. Different variations and stuff like that. But that's how I created that. Somebody was saying that they were just gray. They're not just gray. You have to play around with them. Have lots of fun with them. Use them to create all kinds of cool stuff. So I hope this tutorial helps, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate. I'm at Photohacklovers.com. There's also a Facebook chat box, so you can talk to me directly. I usually check my messages regularly, except when I'm sleeping, which it's because I'm sleeping. Just give me some time. I usually answer all requests and inquiries within 24 hours. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And I will leave in a description where you can get these brushes off my website, or you can go on Creative Market or Etsy if you don't want to purchase them on my site. If you've already purchased these, thank you so much. And this tutorial's for you. So thank you so much. If you like this, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to get notifications of my next video. Thank you so much, guys.